सो हेलो गाइस, बैक आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम। बेसिकली बहुत बड़ा ब्रेक हो गया था फ्रॉम लास्ट फेब्रुवरी आई गेस। एंड उसके बाद कोई भी कंटेंट नहीं आया था मेरा बार। बट बेसिकली बाय द टाइम आई वाज बिजी विद अदर प्रोडक्टिव एक्टिविटीज़, वी हैव स्टार्टेड आवर ओन blog which is wishtransform.com, and couple of new businesses have came up. So that was taking up a lot of time from me, और मेरी बहुत सारी प्रोडक्टिव एनर्जी वहाँ खर्च हो रही थी. So it was kind of a healthy break I needed. But there's one thing I realized when I was, that initial part of my journey, when I started this YouTubing thing, the law of attraction के ऊपर. तो just because it worked for me, that doesn't mean it worked for everyone. Okay, and a lot of people were like, but it's not working, ये नहीं काम कर रहा है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. And those came as a direct reviews, calls and everything. I mean, the people who are aware that the things that they need to work is themselves, उन पे काम कर रहा था, but it won't work on everyone. So now we are changing the content a little bit, and by the end of this video, if you like the content, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. It's about the power of your thoughts. आप अपनी ज़िंदगी अपने तरीके से कैसे बदल सकते हैं, that's what it's all about. So basically, without ado, we'll start with the topic today. आज कोई टॉपिक नहीं होगा, बेसिकली आज होगा कि एक ओवरव्यू आने वाली जर्नी का, एंड व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न व्हाई वी आर स्टार्टिंग अगेन बेसिकली. सो व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग इट लास्ट टाइम, आई थिंक इट वाज इन February. सो दैट टाइम कैसा होता था, आई यूज्ड टू रेफर आर्टिकल्स एंड जर्नल्स एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड उसके हिसाब से आई यूज्ड टू गिव आउट whatever content I was putting out. But the thing is, just because it was working for me, that doesn't mean सबके लिए काम करेगा. Okay, and I realized that because people think that it is some kind of universal magic spell, या some power is out there. No, it's everything is inside you. You are creator of your own destiny. Like even Swami Samartha says that तुझ्या जीवनाचा शिल्पकार and all those things. So yeah, basically those are universal truth. There is no universal magic. There is something universal truth. अब होता ये था कि कुछ टाइम खुद पे भी काम कर लेते थे लोग, बट व्हेन जब रिजल्ट नहीं आते थे, दे यूज्ड टू गिव अप. ओके, दैट वाज द बेसिक थिंग which was the biggest roadblock to all this thing that was happening. And over the time I realized that just by putting out the content, it is really difficult to reach out people unless people reach out to themselves. Okay, जब तक कोई खुद के ऊपर काम ना करे ना, I cannot help anyone. That was the thing I realized a hard way. And then I went into that pause and I started reflecting, what is that one thing which everybody needs. Okay, because every time there was a subscriber, there was a person who used to connect with me. A lot of guys and girls are basically in contact with me through Facebook and everything. I'm like almost 250 people who I don't know, I've never met, but they are in my friend list, and we discuss a lot of things from spirituality to relationship to toxicity, self help, सेल्फ मोटिवेशन, बहुत चीज़ों के ऊपर बातें होती हैं. एंड कुछ लोगों से तो मैं आज तक मिला भी नहीं, दैट्स द थिंग. बट दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ इट. when you're in a spiritual journey, you don't need to meet someone to be in that. They have felt what you are feeling, you can feel what they have felt, so it's an exchange of energies, and you can work it out without even needing to meet someone. That's what I feel basically. और बहुत सारे लोग उस प्रॉब्लम्स में थे where people have lost jobs, people had bad relationship breakups during this lockdown. We all know कितने breakups हुए, that's not a mystery anymore. And how many people lost their jobs, depression, suicides, it's on rise. So what was basically that people needed, everybody's like, what is solution, what is solution, what is the solution? Now even if I were to tell you a solution, it's like आपको उस पर काम करना है. I cannot make a miracle happen. I can tell you what happened to me, how I came out of it. I cannot tell you do this and it will happen. No, that's not how it works. बट देन इवन आई नीडेड सम कंक्रीट थिंग टू स्पीक अप, लाइक अगर कोई मुझे पूछे यार ये कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा, क्या करूँ, वो क्या करूँ का जवाब ढूंढना था मुझे. एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड reading a lot of books, maybe more than 53 or 54 books I've read on self improvement, motivation, inspiration, all those topics. And then I stumbled upon stoics, that's what we call ourselves. Stoic is a way of living, a way of thinking. Okay, just like Buddhism and everything, there's a stoicism. And stoicism, you are aware of your thoughts and you don't let your thoughts affect your actions. Okay, you determine what your thoughts are and how your thoughts will affect your life, and you are in complete control of your actions. You take the responsibility rather than you react. Okay, that's stoicism in gist. Okay, and that really changed me. I read a lot of books on stoicism, and that's how, it took me from a broken me to this version which you're seeing, where I'm running multiple businesses, helping a lot of people, and working with this NGOs of animal welfare, and basically doing a lot of things which I did not knew I was capable of. After whatever happened, I was pretty sulking in the backdrop, like how things are going to work out and what and not. That was the time. But what I discovered myself, the journey from that, bygones to what it is now, that's something I can be proud of myself. Okay, and that's something I can say that, yeah, that sometimes the things work in your favor. Just you need to put yourself out there and work on yourself. आपको खुद पे काम करना है, and वो जो कायनात, it conspires. अगर किसी चीज़ को सच्चे दिल से चाहो तो सारी कायनात तुम्हें उससे मिलाने में लग जाती है. That's what it is. You just need to put out yourself and be firm to your beliefs, and that's what stoicism is about. In the next couple of videos, we'll discuss each and every aspect, the great people who practice stoicism, then what happened in their life, how they came out of it, and blah 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 blah. बहुत सारी चीज़ें बात करने को. But when I talk about them, I'll relate it with my life and how me as a person have been affected by stoicism, and brought a better version of myself out to the world. And till then, bye guys, we'll meet you in the next video.